Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change color of pencil tool in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, select the pencil tool. Click the brush tool, right click, use pencil tool. Okay. Then tool size. Change the color black. Press shortcut key, press X, then change the color and use this already draw this color, line. Draw a line, then hold Ctrl, select the line, hold Alt, press backspace, or press Ctrl D, double click color overlay, change any color, and use stroke. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.